All right, guys, here it is, the brand new Santa Cruz Bronson. This is the S build, and it's a mullet now. 29 in the front, 27.5 in the back. Let's go ahead and dig in and see what we find. All right, let's get into this thing. All right, here is the reverb dropper post. Uh-oh, I just gave away the color. It's gonna be the gold color. I'm pretty excited to see what it looks like. And we've got the seat. Oh, it looks like they went with the Volt seat now, which I am a fan of. It doesn't look like they have the Silverado anymore. All right, let's make the frame come last. This is just a race face AR30 offset wheels. And here it is. 27 out back, 29 in the front. I think some people are gonna be a little put off by that at first, but I'm pretty sure once they ride it, they're gonna be pretty stoked. So, there it is. Oh my gosh, guys. That looks so rad. This color is absolutely amazing. Holy crap, it's like a matte gold. And when they say gold, it literally looks gold. That is super cool. All right, I'm gonna get this stuff unpackaged real quick from this box and get this wrap off, and then give you guys a close-up of this, because that is super cool. I guess we've got one more box with all the fun stuff in it. All right, so what's in this box? It's gonna be some sealant. It's gonna be the derailleur. Oh, got one more. Grips. Santa Cruz's new grips. They're way better than Santa Cruz's old grips, I think, personally. Got the GX derailleur. Code R brakes. Like I said, this is the S build, so pretty much identical to the Hightower build. Let's see, I think these are BergTech bars. I don't even know yet, actually. Yep, got the BergTech bars. So they're gonna stick with the BergTech stem. And all the clamps that you need, and my front brake. Got the housing. Rear axle, got a chain. Got the shifter. Alright guys, I'm gonna get this stuff unpackaged and show you everything close up in just a second. Alright, we got everything unwrapped, and we're gonna get some close-ups of this frame. I just know that the video is not doing this color justice because it literally just looks gold. It's pretty dang rad. And then we obviously got the matching decals on the fork. Fox Performance 36. And then race face wheels. And on the S build, they actually went to E13 hubs, which I am actually kind of a fan of that decision, because the DT Swiss 370s that used to come on the S builds were not my favorite hubs. So cool that they made a change. I'm excited to see how they feel compared to the 370s. All right, here comes the walkthrough. This is the Bronson S build, so it's GX drivetrain from Sram. It's got the RockShox Super Deluxe Select Plus rear shock at 150 millimeters of travel. It's got the Fox Performance 36 up front, so just a grip damper. It has race face AR30 wheels front and rear with E13 hubs, which I think is a great upgrade from the last S build with the DT Swiss 350 hubs. Comes with SRAM Code R brakes. Obviously the SRAM GX cranks. And a RockShox reverb dropper post and the WTB Volt saddle. Up front we have the Bergtech stem, Bergtech aluminum bars, and Santa Cruz Palmdale grips. Comes with the Maxxis DHF up front and Max grip. And then in the rear it comes with the Maxxis DHR2 and Max Terra. Alright guys, if you want to check out how this thing rides, go ahead and go over and check out my review video, and I'll have the link below. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Get out and ride.